You love your audio system, but you don't have wireless connectivity. You need the BTR01. No one wants to lose audio quality while streaming wirelessly, which is why the BTR01 is so perfect. It retains great sounding audio by using digital outputs, hi-fi lossless music playback, and high sampling rates up to 48 kHz 24-bit. Outputs include optical, coaxial, and RCA, and using the A/B selector on the front panel, you can easily switch between the analog and digital outputs. Gain freedom without losing quality with the BTR01. Get it right now at Parts Express.